beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl here at Big Bubbly Beauty. It's great to see you all again. So today's video is unboxing the Causebox. With everything that's been going around, I really do just want some escapism and some just happiness, and this box and this colors are making me feel very, very happy inside. So I'm very excited to get into this. You can't tell yet, but I did change up my filming space quite a bit. So if the videos are a little off for a bit, that's why. I'm trying something different. But I hope you all enjoy it. And it and FabFitFun are probably my favorite boxes. I tend to like the products in FabFitFun a little bit better, but I find that the ones in Causebox are a bit better quality, and they all have a cause behind them, which is what makes this box so good. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. Let's get into it. Oh, it feels so nice to be in a bright, open, airy space. Like, yeah. Also, I have a little letter opener now instead of an X-Acto knife. This is my Roman Gladius that a friend of mine gave me way back when, and I really like it. It's perfect for these kinds of videos. I have to get into that tape. The box itself is a little beat up because of the post, but that's okay. Oh my god. I love it. That is so pretty. I wish I kept these boxes, but I don't because they get too beat up in the mail. But it is gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay. So as always, there is the little booklet that tells you about everything that's inside. So we will get into that in a few minutes. Then right on top is this, refer a friend, get $15 off. So there's a $15 credit. Oh, the little sticker here this time is a leaf. That's cool. Now I will say I am an annual member, so I did get to choose the colors of certain things. I tried to leave a lot of it up for kind of surprise, but if I got to choose a color, I picked a color that I knew I would like. So I do know a bit of what's in here already. So the first thing that I see is this jewelry piece. It's by Fostery. Fresh, fun, fair. Exclusively designed for Causebox. Handmade in Colombia. Let's try and open this up. So it's got two chains, one here and one here. Now, I don't know if this is necessarily my style, if I could pull this off, or if I'd like this, but let's give it a shot. I don't think it necessarily goes with this neckline because it's kind of hitting it at an awkward position. But that's the necklace. So I could have gotten this layered gem necklace, which is a $36 value. You know what? For $36, this is actually pretty nice. This is about the quality I would expect, the look that I would expect for $36. This is actually, that's not a bad price. It's just not necessarily my taste, but it is a nice necklace. And then I could have gotten a Dime Beauty Super Eye Duo, which was a volumizing mascara and an amino acid enhanced eyelash and brow boosting serum, which is $46. Now, I don't need that. I have entirely too many mascaras as it is, and the last lash serum I tried gave me a horrible allergic reaction on my lash line. So I'm a little hesitant to try them again. So I'm happy with the necklace. I'll see if I can pair it with other things. Maybe something more low cut so this can just sit on my skin. Might make it look better. Let's move on. Oh, as always, there's a little postcard. This is gorgeous, but I haven't really liked any of them enough to keep them for artwork, unfortunately. And while this is pretty, I think I'm going to pass it on just because it doesn't speak to me enough. I'm very, very, very picky when it comes to art. So yeah, I will pass this on to someone who will appreciate it probably more than me. Okay, next. I see something that says the word calm on it, which would be perfect for this time of year. All right, Calm Mood Mist. It is a gentle, natural way to enhance your mood through aromatherapy. Mist when you need a moment of relaxation before meditation and on the pillow for a good night's sleep. Probably won't, oh wow, that was separated. Probably won't put it on my pillow. We'll see how it smells. Probably got lavender in it because almost everything that is supposed to be calming has lavender in it. Let's give it a quick spritz. Yep, very lavender heavy, but it's nice. It's got some other scents to it too that are actually quite calming. I like that. So this is a $30 value. That's not bad actually. Yeah, I would happily pay that for that if I was in the mood for something like that. But now that I have it, I have one, so that's good. I kind of prefer the mist idea to a roller ball just because then it kind of dissipates after a little while, whereas the roller ball, I wake up and I still smell like it, and so it's hard to wake up. Yeah, that's just me. I'm a little bit weird. Okay, next. So there's this thing called Bent Go. Oh, yes. So this is one of the things I got to choose the color on. And so I chose this dusty pink. I don't own anything in this color. After seeing some of the other stuff though, I'm kind of sad I didn't choose the bright yellow, but I'm still very happy with this. It's just a little bento box. So it has a spot for your utensils up here, which apparently have moved. Gotta put these in the right spot. I don't know how they're all supposed to stay in. Maybe they go like that and then like, no. How are they all supposed to fit? It doesn't make any... Anyways, it's a spot for the utensils. And underneath, there's these two drawers. So there's this one bigger compartment on its own for the big dish, and then for two little side dishes. I'm guessing this middle drawer here goes in there. And then this. And then this. Yeah. And then this just helps hold it all together. With everything's going on, when I do go to work, I end up having to bring lunch now, whereas I used to just buy it. So this will come in handy. So I'm really excited for this. This is a $29 value, and I could have gotten in the color Sunflower, Blush, or Cloud. I'm very happy I got it in this color, though Sunflower did look very intriguing. Oh, and it donates to Feed the Children as well. That's really cool. All right, next. These feel very rough. Oh, it's an Artisan Direct Sustainable Grocery Starter Kit, set of 5, 100% cotton. This is really nice. So I've been trying to get away from using plastic at the grocery store, but with produce, it's very hard to get away from the use of plastic just because of the way produce works. You gotta put it somewhere. I don't like it rolling around in my cart either. These are washable and reusable. There's 1, 2, 3 mesh ones and 2 more solid ones. This is probably for smaller bits of fruit, and this is probably for bigger ones. They have a bit of stretch to them too, so that's really nice. I'm gonna have to wash these, but then I'll take them with me grocery shopping the next time I go out, which might be a while. I should look into how to deliver groceries to my house, because that's probably going to be a thing I need to do now. Oh, and that was $22, and it was in every box. So next up is this Earth Harbor Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream, Seaweed Collagen and Blue Tansy. Dive into glowing skin. Ooh. Okay. I mean, it looks like it has seaweed in it. I don't know how I feel about that. It's... Ew. Okay, it's kind of slimy. Kind of separated already. I think I'm just gonna pass this on and not try it. And that was in every box, and it was $34. So this one I do remember I got a choice on this one as well in terms of color. And there was a choice between honey, which was like a tan color, black, or this gray. And I went for this gray because I have enough bags that are black. I wanted something different, and I'm not a huge fan of the tan honey colored bags anyways. I just don't gravitate towards them. So I went for this. It is a lot bigger than I expected. It says Pixie Mood on the front. It's quite thick, quite sturdy. Oh, I knocked on the bag and it set my dog off. My bad. And so inside there's a big compartment here that is just open. There's a zippered compartment as well. And so the zipper compartment doesn't fully close, which is a little annoying because if you upend the bag, you do run the risk of dumping your stuff out the sides. But on the inside, there's another mini zippered pocket. And then there's another lining here. The lining feels really good. And I was reading up on this beforehand, and the lining is made from recycled water bottles because there's a little water bottle symbol on there. That's what reminded me of it. And so that's really nice too, because it's probably waterproof, which I do need in a bag, not gonna lie. This is gonna be a nice work bag. All right, let's put this on. There we go. It is quite a nice height, actually. Yeah, I'm excited to try this out. And so this bag was a $75 value. Wow. I mean, though, if you actually could feel it in person and how stiff this is, but also somewhat pliable, like, it makes a lot of sense. So it's a bag with a cause, and it's actually just a really good quality bag. I really like this actually. I'm excited to use this. Okay. Moving on. There's one last thing in this box. I buried it under a pile of garbage now though. So the last thing in here is this wellness planner. And I'm really excited for this. I like the idea of trying to plan wellness as an important part of your day. It just makes so much sense to me. I think people don't put themselves on the top of their priority list enough in a way that's actually beneficial to their body. If that makes any sense? Some people, I'm not trying to tell people to have giant egos or that. I'm more saying that people need to do self-care a bit more often, and it would help out with their mental health a lot. So this is a 13-week daily wellness planner, 6-step personal self-care plan, start and end self-assessments, 1 day to a page layout, weekly planning and habit tracking. Take a look. Ooh, I love the feel of this outside here. It's really nice. For the next 13 weeks, I commit to work on, it gives you options for sleeping habits, stress levels, anxiety, time management, diet, mood levels, positive self-talk, work-life balance, self-control, self-care, and it gives you an option to say your other thing as well. So there's a self-care assessment at the beginning, and there's a monthly page, and then your daily, these are your monthly reviews. And then there's this overall planning for the month, work to do, personal to do, top goal, self-care, water. And then on this next page here, there is an I am grateful for, your top goal, your to do, your self-care, your exercise, and these are your daily trackers. And it helps you also track kind of the weather as well as the day. And it has nothing filled in already, which is nice because then you can fill it in however you need to, however you want to. This is actually pretty cool. I'm excited to try this and to start with this. Self-care, here we come. And this is a $30 value, and you could have gotten this or a Wild and Free bandana, which is a $32 value. Now, I don't wear bandanas, so that's why I picked this. I knew it was coming. I was very excited to open this up so I could get into this. So I really like that. So there's a few things in this box that I don't think I'm going to get much use out of, most notably this eye cream. But there's definitely quite a few bits here that I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of. And I'm really liking the self-care focus, like pack your meals when you go to work if you still have to physically go to work. And then there's like this bag, which is great for taking with you, this self-care planner, this mood mist to help you sleep at night, these grocery bags to help lessen your impact on the environment, but while still getting nice fresh produce. Gotta like all of that. This was probably the only miss in the bag for me. So overall, I think this box is a really good value. I like the products. I like the stances behind the products, and they're such good quality products too. Like I wish you could feel this paper. It actually feels so nice. The cover of this, yeah. A little bit weird of a thing to focus on, but I really like it. So value for money is definitely there. I like that everything has a cause or sustainable or ethical or just good for the environment. So it makes you feel better about having this surprise self-care box come to your doorstep. And you don't feel wasteful in trying to take care of yourself, which is really nice. Anyways, I am babbling, so I will let you guys go now, but I hope you have a wonderful day, beautiful people, and I will see you next time.